Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some hearty lasagna soup. It's easy, so let's get started. Everything you need for this will be in the description box. Okay, here in my pan, I have some ground beef, 1 pound. We're just going to chop this up till we give it fairly brown. Okay, I got that fairly brown. We're going to go ahead, I did drain your fat off of it. Go ahead and put your onions, your chopped garlic. Let this cook just till everything starts to soften, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, we got that done simmering there, maybe about 8 minutes I did that. You want to cut your veggies up fairly small. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our diced tomatoes, Italian seasoning, some marinara sauce. Now you can definitely make your own sauce, but this is some good sauce. It's all natural sauce. I will show you the one I like to use. You can read the ingredients. It's all natural and it's hard to beat. It's some good sauce. And then I'll get my beef broth. Add that in there. We're just going to give that a stir, put the lid on it. Well, we're going to bring it to a boil, put the lid on it, let it simmer about 15 to 20 minutes. And I did add a half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can put some crushed pepper in here too if you'd like. Salt it at the end because your beef broth has salt. If you're using the marinara sauce, it's got salt, so taste it for salt towards the end. Okay, this has been simmering now for 20 minutes. You're going to get you some lasagna noodles. Break them up to ever what size you want. Now remember, they do swell in size, so I wouldn't, break them that big, but you're going to put those in there. This is such an easy, delicious soup, y'all. It beats layering lasagna. You want that flavor, this is the perfect thing. We're going to let that, or the perfect meal, perfect soup. We're going to let that hang out just until those noodles start to soften to your liking. Keep an eye on them, usually 10, 15 minutes. I like them fairly soft so they stay on the spoon. But that's it. Let this simmer till they're tender and we'll get the cheese added. And do give them a stir here and there because you don't want your lasagna noodles to stick. Okay, mine's been going maybe 18 minutes. I just checked those noodles. And I did put the lid back on it. I don't want that to evaporate. Now, I'm turning my stove off. In my bowl, I have my ricotta, my shredded Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella shredded, and some parsley. And like I said, it's all in the description. And this is just all going to melt. And then we have some extras over there for the topping when you put it in your bowl. Turn your stove top off and just stir this in till it all gets nice and gooey and dissolved in there. And we will get this bowled up. Alrighty, friends, I got it all bowled up. I put some fresh parsley on top. I put a little bit of crushed pepper. That's, up to you if you want that. We got some nice crusty bread to go with that. And this is cheesy goodness right here, y'all. See that? And it's hot. It's hot. I'm going to have to wait for that to cool off. But I can dunk. I don't want to string that cheese across. Boy, that's good, y'all. If you've never had lasagna soup, please give it a try. It may change your mind. A lot of us ain't in the mood to assemble and make homemade marinara sauce and layer that lasagna. That's work. This is so simple. But I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy. And I wish every one of you a very blessed Thanksgiving. And as I always say, if you're new to the channel, if you're enjoying the channel, please like and subscribe. It truly helps my channel. And until next time, you guys take care. Love one another. Eat well. And if you have leftovers, Go out and share that with somebody that's in need. You know they're going to appreciate it. And right now, it's rough out there. So, you guys take care. Love y'all. Make you up some lasagna soup. It's delicious. Bye-bye.